Hi guys, welcome to RoboCraze. Today we're going to be talking about the Makey Makey DIY kit and how we can use it for various projects. For those who do not know anything about this product, Makey Makey is a fun, innovative DIY kit which can help us convert everyday items into electrical inputs to our computer. The kit includes a circuit board, alligator clips, jumpers and a USB cable. Without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into an example where we use everyday items to interface it with our computer. We're going to play a simple game of piano tiles on our computer. We start off by making the pads which will be used as the input to the game. We make this using a pencil. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity and hence best suited for this application. Once the pads are made, connect the alligator clips. The other end of the alligator clips must be connected to the circuit board. This game uses the W, A, S and D keys. Hence, we can use jumpers to connect them to the circuit board. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, plug the circuit board into your computer and play the game. The main tagline for this kit is turn anything into a key, and as it suggests, anything which can conduct even a tiny bit of electricity, for example a banana, a bucket of water, even your skin for example, can be used as an input to this device and can be interfaced with your computer easily. Well guys, that was all about the Makey Makey DIY kit. For further documentation, please visit our blog. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.